Anytime I want to make something unique, healthy, yet very delicious, I make this vegetable sauce. It's a great substitute for your white rice apart from the regular tomato sauce. Stay tuned to the end. Let me teach you how to make this yummy goodness. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. The best protein for this sauce is the fish, of course. I've already fried down my fish. Added my onions to the oil, vegetable oil. I fried a bit, then added in the tomatoes. I normally slice. I don't blend, but slice with a knife. Then I also add in my Scotch bonnet pepper and I fry this a bit. Let the water dry up. The water from the tomatoes dry up. When it dries a bit, I then add in salt for taste, then my seasoning cubes. I also add my pomo, well-washed pomo. It's a parboiled one. It has already been cooked a bit. Then I also add in my well-washed dried fish. You can add any protein of your choice, but these are my preferred proteins. They go well in this sauce. So I'll now proceed to fry some more to make sure the sauce is well dried before adding in my blended crayfish. I also add a lot of crayfish to this sauce. It goes well in this sauce. I don't add crayfish to my regular tomato stew. I don't like it. But in this particular sauce, I add in crayfish. It makes it taste well. So when I've fried and I'm okay, tested, everything is well fried, I then also add in my seasoning cubes, salt and taste for salt before adding my well-washed ugu leaves. If you don't have ugu leaves where you stay, you could use spinach. Sometimes I do use spinach, just that I'm going to be freezing, so the ugu leaf seems to taste very well anytime I bring it out to warm up for white rice. So I'll just mix it into the tomato sauce. I don't want it overcooked. It's vegetable. When it's well mixed, do check all the amazing sauce that you could use for your boiled white rice. It's in the description. Okay, and also check out in my channel for other amazing recipes. So when you've turned everything in very well, you now add in your well-washed scent leaves into this sauce. Then you just stir. This scent leaves gives it this flavor that you cannot resist. Both flavor and also taste. It tastes so good. So when you've just mixed everything, remember the fried fish. You now add it back into the sauce. Mix everything well and your sauce is so ready to be enjoyed with your white rice. It's very delicious. Very, very delicious. Okay. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the other recipe video.